Storm is not too short. It's a new one. They didn't like the other one. So this one looks more like a faucet. Okay, Storm. I got it for Rogue because Rogue is always in the bathroom sink. But Storm is curious. What is that, girl? It's running water. You want to drink it? It's just staring at it. It's just water, sweetie. There you go. No? Not too sure. What's it making that noise for? You eat your numbs now? You have to wait till sister's done till you eat? Okay. What's it making that noise for, Mom? You're a silly girl. Kid, baby. No. Oh, no. Storm. Hey, baby girl. So curious about that noise. You're not to be afraid. It's just water. Look, baby. Let me get it. See? It just makes a noise. It's water. It's okay. There you go. Good job. Nope.